So Canva just added a new feature which allow you to change the background of an image with new Canva AI background generator. So you can change any background that you want. So first I'm just going to add an image to my Canva design. After that, click on the image, then go to edit here. And here you'll find the option in the Magic Studio BG generator, which is the new feature of the Canva. Just click on it. Now you can describe what kind of background that you want. So this is the image of astronaut. So if I want an urban street, so I just want to change the background in an urban street background. So just click generate and it will start to generate your image. As you can see, this is pretty awesome. The background has been changed into an urban street. There are 4 photos you can use. If you don't like any background here, you can also use the clip option to generate again. But I like this one, so I will just click on done here. And now I can download this. Just go to share and click on download. So that's it. This is pretty easy to change any background that you want with using Canva. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.